Here's a quick demo on the new industry action dashboard over here at PTS Primo charts. First thing you need to do, open up your platform, go to the icon at the top called Industry Action Dashboard. Once you open that, you can go ahead and click here and see all 11 sectors. And within each sector, you've got a breakdown of all the industries within each sector. There's a total of 149 of them. And from there, you can go ahead and click on an individual industry. It's going to pull up a list of all the stocks. Now you've got a list of all the stocks within that particular industry. What you want to do is take a look at the PTS Strong Stock rank, and you're going to see a ranking between 0 and 100. 0 meaning it's the weakest, and 100 the strongest. So now we've got these sorted by strongest to weakest. You're going to see a number of these stocks that you may be familiar with and some that you're not, which is what's so great about this. You can identify an industry, find specific stocks that you're familiar with, and uncover some new ones as well. You can also see, of course, last price data, net change, percent change. You're going to see if it's above or below the buy-sell line, and you're going to see the weeks change. Now here's an example, Overstock.com. It's one of the strongest in this industry, but it's down over 7% this week. Still up huge for the month, 101%. 3 months up huge, 390%, and so on and so on. Now what you can also do is double click on this symbol, any of the symbols here, and it's going to open up a chart. And what we like to do is select this view up here. This gives you a layout configuration, any of these formats. This second one here is going to give you a layout where you've got a chart to the right and this to the left here. What you want to do is select the same colors for each one of these. So we're going to select blue, and we're going to go over here and select blue on the chart. So now anytime you click on this new symbol, it's going to go ahead and pop up on the right chart. So you can quickly cycle through. There's going to be many of these stocks that you're not even familiar with, never even heard of, and you can see that some of them have had some really nice momentum, some nice strength, have outperformed many of these other stocks within the industry, or within all stocks actually, all sectors. It's going to give you an idea of what to do next. Now in the case of Overstock, you can see this has come off the lows here back in March. Went as low as, looks like $3 or $4 a share, and now it's at 45. Now this is a crazy, phenomenal run. You're not going to usually see these, but the important thing about this industry scanner is you're going to be able to find and pinpoint the strong and weak industries, and you're hopefully going to be able to find these stocks. They're definitely going to come up on your scans. It's just a matter of timing the entries and the exits and applying the proper trade management. But if you've got this particular package, the Industry Action Dashboard, along with the Industry Strength Ranking System, these aren't going to get past you. And in many cases, a lot of these stocks are just making some really slow stealth runs. Here's another one, Fiverr. This thing has just gone straight up. Really sharp run up. You know, those can be dangerous when they've run too far, of course, which is why you don't want to chase after something, but you want to cycle through industries like this and add things to your watch list, add things to your wish list. Then you can wait for the proper entry and exits. Again, you don't want to chase after something. Wait for the proper entry and apply your different techniques. We've got all the different Primo strategies up here, PTS XT to identify the strong trends, and PET-D and everything else. You can also easily apply things like the buy-sell line if you just want to change up your get some perspective of where it is versus the buy-sell line on these different stocks. Now let's flip it around. If you want to look at the weakest names, you can see a lot of these. Same industry, really weak. Many cases, probably not much volume. Maybe not as much volume, lower priced. And but what you can do a lot of times is find some of these stocks that are possibly bottoming out. But go ahead and play around with this. Again, you've got all 11 sectors, all 149 different industries, and just start clicking and see what pops up. Any questions, feel free to email us or give us a call on the main line. Thanks.